In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste in Photoshop in 2026 using a couple of super simple methods. Whether you want to move an object from one document to another or paste it in exactly the same position, this quick guide will save you time and help you work much faster inside Photoshop. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and make sure you already have the content you want to copy selected. This can be a layer, an object, text, or any part of your design. If needed, use the selection tool that fits your workflow. Then copy it using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on the Mac. This stores the selected content on your clipboard so you can paste it into another document. Now navigate to the destination document or open the file where you want to place the copied content. Once you're inside the new document, you have a couple of ways to paste depending on the result you want. If you want to paste the copied element quickly, use Ctrl+Shift+V on Windows or Command+Shift+V on Mac. This is a useful paste option that helps place content more precisely in many workflows. If you want to paste the content exactly where it was positioned in the original file, go to the top menu and click Edit, then hover over Paste Special and choose Paste in Place. This is one of the best methods when you need perfect alignment between documents, especially for design work, mock-ups, and layered compositions. It keeps the object in the same relative spot so you don't have to manually drag it into position afterward. Once you paste the content, you can continue adjusting it with the Move tool if needed. You can resize, align, or refine the placement depending on your design. If you're working with multiple layers or complex layouts, paste in place can be a huge time saver because it keeps everything consistent across documents. So to recap, copy your content with Ctrl+C or Command+C, switch to the destination document, and then paste using Ctrl+Shift+V or use Edit, Paste Special, and Paste in Place for exact positioning. That's the basic process for copying and pasting in Photoshop the right way. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.